Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will study the most basic chapter of English grammar. As you can see that the name of the chapter is Parts of Speech. Let's start. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के जितने भी सारे वर्ड्स हैं उन सभी को हमने डिफरेंट क्लासेस और काइंड्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है एंड उन्हीं क्लासेस को हम पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कहते हैं। इंग्लिश ग्रामर के या बोल सकते हैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के जितने भी सारे वर्ड्स हैं उन्हें हमने दो बेसिस पे डिवाइड किया है। द फर्स्ट है अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर यूज and the second is according to the work they do in a sentence. The parts of speech are 8 in number. ये जो क्लासेस की संख्या है या नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस है वो है 8 and these 8 classes are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Let us read something more about each classes. Noun. First is noun. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place और थिंग। नाउन में वो सारे वर्ड आ जाएंगे जो नेम ऑफ पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग को डिनोट करें। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज यू कैन सी इन द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, Akbar was a great king. In this example, the word Akbar and the word king are noun. In the second example, Kolkata is on the bank of the river Hooghly. In this sentence, Kolkata and Hooghly are the names of place. So these two words classified as noun. थर्ड सेंटेंस है, थर्ड एग्जाम्पल है the rose smells sweet. Here in the third example, the rose is the name of a flower. So rose is classified as noun. And so on in rest of the two examples. Now the second classes which comes in parts of speech is adjective. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Adjective में वो सारे वर्ड आ जाएंगे जो नाउन के मीनिंग में कुछ एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड करे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय रीडिंग एग्जाम्पल। हियर एग्जाम्पल इज ही इज अ ब्रेव बॉय। हियर बॉय इज अ नाउन and the word before boy, that is brave, is adjective. So this word tells something about boy, which is noun. And second example is there are 20 boys in this class. In this sentence, 20 is 20. And this will be classified as adjective. Now comes to next classes of parts of speech. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Pronoun में वो सारे वर्ड आ जाएंगे जिसे हम नाउन की जगह पे यूज कर सकते हैं. For example, John is absent because he is ill. You can see that he is referring to John. So here he is used in place of John, that is noun. So he is pronoun in this sentence. Second example is the books are where you left them. Here in this sentence, them is pronoun because it refers to the books, which is noun. Let's go ahead. The next parts of speech is verb. A verb is a word used to express an action or a state. Verb में वो सारे वर्ड्स आएंगे जो किसी एक्शन या स्टेट को एक्सप्रेस करता है. Let us try to understand the meaning of verb from the given example. The girl wrote a letter to her cousin. In this sentence, the word wrote is verb. The word wrote is expressing an action, and the action is writing a letter. So this word comes in verb category. Now comes to the next parts of speech, adverb. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb उन सभी वर्ड्स को कहेंगे जो वर्ब के मीनिंग में एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐड करे. उसी तरह से एडजेक्टिव के मीनिंग में भी कुछ एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन दे. And so on for adverb. For another adverb word, let us try to understand from the example. He worked the sum quickly. Here in this sentence, the word quickly is classified as adverb because it tells something about the work, the way of working. It tells about the way of working, means it is giving some information that how he or she work. Now comes to the next parts of speech. Preposition. A preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. Preposition एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो नाउन या प्रोनाउन के साथ आकर किसी एडजेक्टिव और किसी प्रोनाउन वर्ड के साथ रिलेशन शो करता है. जैसे इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज अ काउ इन द गार्डन. हियर द वर्ड इन इज प्रीपोजिशन and it is showing a relationship between the garden and the cow and a cow. Here a cow is a noun and the garden is also a noun. So in this sentence the preposition is showing relationship between the two nouns. Now comes to the next parts of speech. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. कंजंक्शन उन सभी वर्ड्स को कहेंगे जो वर्ड्स ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स या सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने में हेल्प करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम एंड हरी आर कजन्स. हेयर इन दिस सेंटेंस and is classified as conjunction because it is joining two groups of words. Hari are cousins and Ram, so and is called conjunction. Now comes to the last parts of speech, that is interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling. इंटरजेक्शन उन सभी वर्ड्स को कहेंगे जो सडन फीलिंग को एक्सप्रेस करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हुर्रे वी हैव वॉन द मैच. इन दिस सेंटेंस हुर्रे इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंटरजेक्शन. हेयर इन दिस सेंटेंस हुर्रे इज एक्सप्रेसिंग sudden feeling of happiness, or simply we can say that hooray is expressing happiness. So hooray is termed as interjection. In second sentence, alas she is dead. Here alas word is expressing feeling of sadness. So this word is classified as interjection. So these are the parts of his speech, and thank you very much for watching this video.